My name is Mark Goldsbrough. I'm the Sales Director at AJ Hurst, based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. And we're really proud that next year we're celebrating our 90th year in business. We have a wide customer base. We deal a lot with system integrators, panel builders, end users, and OEMs. Where we come from, our customers wear a lot of hats. A panel builder could be an OEM as well as a contractor. So we have a small customer base, but they do a lot of things. We find it very useful having our in-house Schneider Innovation Hub, which we use a lot to bring customers to try out new technologies and help them and give them confidence with any new projects. I'm very big in mining minerals and metals, and of course data centres in Ireland are a big topic at the moment. So we are seeing a lot of growth around those markets. We are seeing the digital transformation piece gathering momentum in our part of the world. Customers want more connected products. They want more data. They want more real-time data. So this is becoming a daily topic for us. And working with Schneider, we're coming up with solutions for projects that are delivering for our customers and ultimately the end client. Recently, we have done a project with a partner of ours who had a smart manufacturing application. Traditionally, they would have been a user of another manufacturer. We brought them to our Innovation Hub and we came up with a solution incorporating HMIs, PLCs, and of course TCS Ireland. It ended up in the customer saving up to 40% design and build time on the project, and since then has now standardised on the solution for other customers. The Schneider partnership is a great benefit to us. We are already badge holders for APC and IT solutions as well as EV and infrastructure. So the IAD badge just sits nicely with those. It gives us an understanding, a better understanding of Schneider products, and it gives our customers confidence that they are dealing with an extension of Schneider and that they have Schneider's backing locally. Being an alliance partner means we're part of the Schneider ecosystem, which allows us to combine all our knowledge to make great things happen.